three types of writing. First one வந்து cursive writing. First one வந்து cursive writing. Second one வந்து print writing. Print writing நம்ம புக்லலாம் இருக்கும்ல print writing. Third one வந்து running writing. Running writing நம்ம நார்மலா எழுதுவோம்ல letters வந்து இது வந்து running handwriting. First one cursive handwriting, second one print handwriting, third one running handwriting. Cursive writing, print writing,